Organisations, I think, are struggling a little bit with artificial intelligence and machine learning, and it's really because they don't know where to start. I think we're seeing some sectors slightly ahead of others, mainly because there's push from whether it's the government in the public sector. So if you look at central government, they've had a cloud first strategy for good 12, 18 months now. So they've been embracing cloud, and they're probably a bit more mature in their adoption of cloud. But if you look in things like healthcare, a sector that we know well as a company, they're just starting. Obviously, Theresa May put an announcement out 2 weeks ago about she wanting the UK to be a central sort of hub for artificial intelligence, but it's in healthcare. But it's only really just starting because they haven't done the building blocks first. So it's a real struggle for companies to get started. If you're looking at sort of the young companies, so there's obviously the unicorns, so people like Airbnb, Uber and those types of things, they didn't have any of the legacy, so they've gone straight into the cloud, and actually it's very easy for them to embrace these new changing, transformational technologies right from the get-go. So it does depend where a company is on its maturity cycle and where they are, in terms of being able to embrace this technology. So OCSL as a company is helping these organisations embrace technology by building the platforms and building blocks. So if you're looking at machine learning, artificial intelligence, these are data-led platforms, so you can't do anything without data. So one of the first things you need to do is be able to connect your data sources together to even think about artificial intelligence or machine learning. So one of the things that we're doing at the moment with a lot of our organisations is identifying where these data platforms sit. We're also looking at things like Internet of Things, IoT, bringing those data sets in. And once you've got your data platforms centralised, you can then start to enable machine learning and then eventually artificial intelligence. But unless you've got the data and the data points, you can't. These technologies don't really perform. So where we are in sort of the maturity of all of this is we're helping companies build those platforms.